Good evening, my dear students. So, today we are going to start the module number 3, that is polymers and powder metallurgy. So, already before lockdown, we have completed some syllabus. Now, with the help of some videos, I will try to complete module number 3. So, what is fiber spinning? Fibers are made from polymers. So polymer is the main source to make the fibers, and this process is called as spinning. See, basically there are three principal spinning methods. One is melt spinning, dry spinning, and wet spinning. Now we are going to discuss here the different types of spinning methods. So from the figure I will tell you melt spinning. You just see here, this is the feed hopper. So polymer granules are placed in the feed hopper. So this is the heating chamber. So what will happen? After placing the polymer granules, they get heated here, they get melted, and after that they pump. Then they pass through the spinner rate. Spinner rate, it is nothing but one type of jali having fine holes. So that melted polymer, it passes through the spinner rate. Then here what will happen? Air cooling takes place, air is allowed to fall, and because of that solidification takes place. Then finally they are wound here on the bobbin. So this is the simple process. So this is known as wet spinning. This is known as melt spinning. Now we are going to discuss the wet spinning. You see here, this is the spin dope. So here liquid, viscous, high temperature, that means melted polymer solution is here. So it passes through this unit and it is collected in the coagulation bath. So coagulation, in the coagulation bath, precipitation takes place, and that high temperature liquid polymer solution gets precipitated in the form of fine filaments. Then it is allowed to pass through the washing and drying unit, and then finally it is collected here, it is wound here. So this is known as wet spinning. Then dry spinning. Dear students, I will add the sketch of the dry spinning, but simply I will explain here what is dry spinning. So the polymer solution commonly used is vinyl chloride. It is converted into fibers. So that polymer solution is first placed in the container, top container. It is heated at high temperature and it is dissolved in a solvent. So when it is dissolved in the solvent, its concentration increases. And this hot viscous solution is pumped through the spinner rate, and then the solution is evaporated. See, evaporated separate chamber is placed. So in that chamber the dry nitrogen is placed to get the evaporation process, to complete the evaporation process, and therefore it is known as dry spinning. Then filaments are formed, which reaches to the spindle, and then finally they get wound. The rate of production is 1000 meter per minute. So manufacture of cellulose acetate is the typical example of dry spinning. So after that I will just tell you biopolymers. Biopolymers are the polymers produced by living organisms. In other words, they are polymeric biomolecules. Since they are polymers, biopolymers contain monomeric units, and that monomeric units are covalently bonded with each other to form large chain-like structures. So different examples are giving here: starch, their sources, then sugar, their sources, then cellulose based polymers, their applications, sources, then synthetic based polymers, their sources. Okay, thank you friends.